Hello me handsomes, welcome back to the channel. This is Aussie Rides again. Just a short video today. I'm just trying out a new camera and microphone setup, so just wanted to go out quickly, have a bit of a blast before work. It's actually pretty early. It's only 6 o'clock, I think. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, just about. So I'm just off to get a bit of brekkie and try out this new setup. It's the Osmo Action 3. So I'm hoping it's going to be okay, you know, sound wise and picture wise. I've got it on ultra wide at the moment for the viewing setting, and I've just got a new microphone to go with it as well. So hopefully it's all good. Hope everyone's doing okay. I do apologise for not uploading videos recently. It's been a bit of a tough year for me. Just quickly, I mean, I don't want any sob stories, but I lost my dad earlier this year to cancer. Yeah, that dreaded C word. He battled hard though, and he did really well. But unfortunately, he ended up catching COVID. He got over that, sort of, and then he got pneumonia twice, and that was pretty much what happened. You know, that was the end then. But it's been pretty hard going, and then at the same time, my dear old mum was in hospital as well, so it's been a tough year, to say the least. But hopefully everything is going to be getting back to normal soon. Obviously it's been a difficult weekend as well this week, because obviously Father's Day is just gone here in Britain, so that was hard. And my dad's birthday is in August, so that's another first. It's really weird, isn't it? Like when you lose somebody, and then you've got all these first things that happen without them. That's the hardest thing for anyone, I think, you know. But we get through them. You know, we've got the family together, and hopefully going to have a nice little barbecue for my dad's birthday, just to remember him, and that's what he would love to have done anyway. He used to like having barbecues for his birthday. Yeah, and so, like I say, my mum was in hospital as well. I won't go into that though, but she's doing okay at the moment. Hopefully, yeah, like I said, things are getting back to normal, but we'll see. So how have you guys been anyway? Have you been to anywhere nice to ride? Been on holidays? Be interesting to see where you guys have been, especially if you're in the UK and you've been enjoying the wonderful weather we've had. Unfortunately, I have had a problem with the bike. Well, with the battery actually. It wasn't charging, so I haven't been able to use the bike for most of the weather. I had to wait to get it to the shop to see what was actually wrong with it, and turned out, yeah, it was the battery. It kept draining, and every time I wanted to start it I had to jump start it, which obviously wasn't good, so I wasn't going to take it anywhere having to do that all the time. Just negotiate that roundabout. So yeah, it's all sorted now anyway. I've been on a good ride. So I did about 9 hours in the saddle the other day. I went to Chepstow Castle, I rode some roads around that area, some beautiful roads, mind. So it's had a good run, and she seems to be purring like a kitten again, which is good. It's nice to have some dry weather. And here's my breakfast stop. Yes, trusty old Mackie D's. Right, so I'm just going to get breakfast up, and I'll speak to you soon. The sun is coming out. It's going to be a beautiful day. The only problem is I've got to go to work this afternoon. Boo. Never mind. Work gives me money, and money lets me play and go and do things that I want to do, so we can't really complain, can we? It's nice to get out on the bike though, early morning. I took that a bit wide, never mind. Yeah, it's nice to be out on the bike in the fresh air in the early morning before everybody's ruined the air. But it would be nice to do a few trips at some point this year, if I can. I am sort of planning a mini trip in September. Got a few days off in September, and I thought, yeah, I'd try and get away there. It's only in this country, still in this country, but it's in the Cotswolds. So I thought that would be quite nice, because I go past there quite a lot at work, and it does look lovely. So look out for that video, because I'll be doing a video on that, and it's going to be, I'm going to be going with a group actually, and the group is called Ride With Us Motorcycle Touring. So I thought, it might be quite good. So I thought I'd make it like a little mini holiday. And what else am I planning? I'm planning on going to Europe at some point next year. That'll be my first European tour, if it happens, if I can get it to happen. We'll see. So look out for that. And hopefully some camping trips as well. So got a few things on the cards for the rest of this year and beginning of next. But I will keep you updated on when things start to happen. So look out for that, yeah. If you haven't already subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button? And hit that notification bell as well, so you don't miss any videos when I do upload them. And if you don't already know, I do really appreciate your support with this channel. It has been a struggle to try and get this channel going, and you know, it's only still a very, very small drop in the ocean compared to other channels on YouTube, so I am still trying to find my feet, but I really do appreciate your support. It means the world to me. No, it really does. I'm serious about that. It really does help me out, and I really appreciate that. So thank you guys, thank you. Oh, other thoughts. I've had the Triumph for a year, and I'm thinking maybe next year I might consider changing it for something else. Oh, I'm not sure what yet. But that's only a maybe. We'll see how that goes. See how things pan out. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, yeah. See, the thing is, though, this is such a fun bike to ride. However, the only problem is, and I'm sure this is, similar for most bikes really, but when you're on it for a long time, like on motorways and things like that, your legs do get pretty damn warm. I was on the motorway the other day, and it was busy, so you were riding slow as well, which didn't help. But my legs were so hot from the engine. Wow, it was unbelievable. But that's really the only issue that I have with the bike. It's just like, the engine just warms your legs up. I mean, in the winter, great, but in the blistering heat of the sun, no. It gets too much then. Oh, no feet down. Well, I'm almost home, so thank you very much for watching the video. And again, if you haven't already subscribed and you enjoyed this video, or you want to see what other videos are coming up in the future, then please hit the subscribe button if you want to. And if you don't want to miss a video, then remember to hit the bell icon as well, so you don't miss them. Well, that's it from me today. Have a good day, everyone, and I will speak to you soon. This has been Aussie Rides again. Till next time, ride safe.